Kintsugi, the Japanese art of repairing broken pottery by mending the areas of breakage with lacquer mixed with powdered gold, silver, or platinum. As a philosophy, it treats breakage and repair as part of the history of an object, rather than something to disguise. The conference name, Putting the Pieces Together, is inspired by Kintsugi, the Japanese art of repairing broken pottery with gold. We see ourselves like the reimagined artworks, no longer in our original form, but instead taking on a new beauty and strength, reinforced by our many connections. Putting the Pieces Together Conference. By people in pain, for people in pain. Pain Canada, our national action network.